Today we'll see how to add the instrument to the song editor. In the last tutorial, we see that there are three panels that are quite important: the song editor, the beat bassline editor, and the piano roll, which you can access from these buttons up here. See the song editor, beat bassline editor, and the piano roll. So today, if you want to add instrument, you have to look at the side buttons here. You click this and you see first button is the instrument plugins. You see all the plugins that are used for this LMMS. And the second button here is your projects, what you save. When you save your project, you're going here. And the third button here is your samples. This is where you can actually add the instruments. There are some instruments here that you can add. And so it's the fourth button as well, the presets. You can actually use some instruments here as well. The other button here is your home button, and this is your computer, my computer button. Now the thing is, I normally use the fourth button, which is the star button. So I click on it, and I normally go for the Zing add sub FX folder. I click on that, and what I have to go down to get is the guitar. Click on guitar, then I go to the clean guitar. Now this is the instrument that I normally that I use quite often in LMMS. So click on it, right click, and then you open in new instrument track in song editor. You click that, okay, and you go into the song editor. See, so that's how you add an instrument to your song editor. Thank you.